money in the world for it to be the solution, and everybody running around chasing. They got to understand, right? It's not the solution. If it was the solution, it'd been to help. Listen, let me tell you, this is how I know it's not the solution. I'm from the trenches. I'm from where poverty exists, but I am from where the biggest consumers in the world exist. And guess what? We all the brokest. So this can't be wealth. It got to be full of shit, right? The true wealth is what's backed behind it. And guess what? America, money used to be backed by gold. Now it's backed by nothing.
It's backed by the petrodollar.
Right? So
it's backed by the petrodollar.
By nothing.
That's a lie. That's a lie. The dollar is backed by the petrodollar system.
By nothing.
It's backed by Saudi Arabia.
By nothing.
You don't understand how the work
by nothing.
No, it's backed by the fucking ability to buy oil. Brazil, Japan, all these countries, they need fucking American dollars to buy oil. That's how it works. We're in America. I can prove shit.
I can prove this one thing, that everybody in the world is running around in fake debt. Everything is free and they run around selling.
You might be in debt. I ain't in debt.
Let me tell you what I mean. Let me tell you what I mean. You run around selling energy, but who made energy? You run around selling lights, but who made lights? You run around selling apples and oranges, but who made apples and oranges? Who made the tree? Everybody putting themselves in debt because everything is free in the world, right? But everybody running around paying for shit you don't got to pay for.
You pay for the
right?
gas.
That's a lot of people understand, right? But they are paying for the system, right? The system is making you pay for the same things that you don't have to get free, right? Because if you look outside right now, you look at a tree, if it bear fruit, you can just grab one. Nothing gonna come out and say, pay me, right? If you go to the church right now and they're gonna give you a good message at the end, they're gonna say, pay me, right? Everything is pay me, pay me, pay me. Only thing he been saying is I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. But people don't understand, they all stuck.
How am I stuck?
Because money is not the answer, nigga.
Let me tell you something, man. You got bills to pay. You got a family. Without money, it gets real difficult.
Listen,
you here right now to get paid. You here for clips. You here to get money. That's what you here.
Who paying me?
You're going to put these clips out there, and
you're
going to get more popular, and you're getting money off it. That's how it works.
Not me.
Stop playing.
I'm here because I'm a prophet of God, and he got a broadcast for 12 million people that I have to talk to.
He's there for clout.
No, I'm a prophet. I have to speak.
You ain't a prophet.
Listen, no, I'm a prophet of God. When he called me to speak, I got to speak. That's what you understand, right? I got to come even though I want to sit down with your big, fat, white ass. But I have to come and sit down with your big, fat, white ass because God is speaking right now, not me, right? And you don't even understand that you don't even determine what you speak. What you going to be speaking?
Here's what it works down to. You're born in the same day he is. You got compatible energy, and that's why the fuck he platforms you. Stop playing with me.
Listen. I don't think you understand, right? I'm gonna say it again. I'm gonna say it 1,000 times, right? And this is why I win. I win because you are trying to explain a creation with a creation from that creation. That simply means reality. You can't.
Reality. LeBron James and Tiger Woods, the two guys who dominated their professions, are born on the same day. Stop playing with me.
What spirit was in them?
I'm talking about their birth
spirit was in them?
Alpha male.
What spirit?
Energy.
You don't even know. So you don't even know what spirit
this guy
was in
just
them, right?
makes
So
shit
listen,
up.
let me tell you something, right? You know how you can see somebody like, oh, you remind me of that person. Oh, you remind me of that person. That was that person the whole time. The same spirit in that person was in that person. That a lot of people don't know. Nobody never lose nobody. Nobody ever dies. Everything stays stuck in the simulation.
People die every day.
Nobody ever dies.
Especially the ones who took the vaccine. Especially the ones who took the vaccine.
Listen, when you die, something is born. When you die, will come out your body, maggots and all that other shit, right? Nothing truly dies. Energy cannot die.
It transfers.
Yes, right? And when it transfers in another person, that is that same person.
But
you just proved me right.
Will not be here in 100 years. There's going to be maggots through you. But guess what? Here's what it comes down to.
I've been here for all these years. What make you think I'm going to leave?
You're not going to be here in 100 years,
I've been here forever.
I've been here long.
I've been here forever. Let me tell you this, right? You know what Y chromosome is? They checked the Y chromosome, a Y chromosome of a black man, right? And guess what they found out? They found that this Y chromosome was not only older than the oldest man in the world, it was older than the oldest thing in this planet. Like, it didn't even come from this planet.
Damn.
Right? Look it up.
Yeah.
So I don't think you understand.
Interesting how they talk all this black superiority shit,
but
they worship a white God.
I don't want some shit.
They worship a white Jesus. The slave.
I don't want some shit. I don't want some shit.
He doesn't have chains on him anymore, but he still fucking worships the slave master's religion. He quoted Jesus so many fucking times.
Let me tell you
something, got the chains off. You still a mental fucking slave.
There's a Jesus' consciousness, right? And what they did with the church did, right? It's kind of like I'm from the trenches, right? I'm a Crip. The Bloods kill me and say I was a blood. They run around acting like that. That's what they did. See, they corrupted Jesus' message, but they can't corrupt Jesus, right? Because Jesus is consciousness, right? And they try to let you know that, hold up, you got to die to find Jesus, but you ain't got to die to find Jesus. You got to vibrate correctly. You got to leave the trenches.
Is that where the Christian?
Oh, the crack come in when you in the trenches. Listen, I don't think you understand, right? He keep talking about crack. I'm going to crack him in the shit.
Crack cocaine. Just say no.
Who's that?
Well, so people call it probably from the trenches. And listen, I'm gonna interview with these white people, gang. You got to call me back. I ain't no street nigga right now.
Yeah.
Call me back.
You got to talk to some crackers.
Yeah.
Got to talk to some crackers, man. You got to get your attention here.
Yeah. Let's go.
Hey, I'm only half white.
Yeah, I'm only half white too.
Well, am I actually white?
I'm too. I'm part of the 12 tribes. Yeah, that's 12 again. So I taught you a lot of shit. So you should go home.
You didn't teach me anything.
I taught you about the 12.
You filled my head with nonsense.
I taught you about 12, and I taught you about you. I told you was God.
Oh God, you got fucking 12 signs, one son,
1.
12 jurors.
I taught you 1
fucking jury, 12 Federal Reserve banks, 1 main bank in Washington D.C. Stop playing with me.
I love this guy, right?
Let's do a numerology reading on him. Let's see if his fans think it's accurate, because he's gonna deny it. But do a reading on his birthday.
Listen, if you read my birthday, I'm out this bitch because I don't go with that. Let's do it though.
We'll end with that.
Yeah, let's read my birthday. Because like I said, first of all, let me tell you why this don't work, right? Let me tell you why his can never work, right? Life is moment to moment, right? Depending on
numerology shows it.
Depending on the decision that you make, that possibility can change, right? Now he correct, right? If a person keep on doing the same thing and making the same decisions, he's absolutely correct. But as soon as a person change their decision, his shit is off. Because that decision...
And I'll be able to see when him changing his decision.
You're not in his mind.
Yes, I will.
Not in that moment. So when he changes his mind, he's going to be in a whole other reality that he don't exist in.
Yeah.
That's a lot of people don't know, because he's going to quantum leap to a new reality where numbers cannot hold you in.
Well, numbers don't work in the dream world. Numbers don't work in the dream world. They only work in this reality.
This is the dream world.
This
is the dream world.
No. When we go to sleep, that's the dream world.
This is the dream world here.
That's 3.5.
This is 3. That's the dream inside of a dream.
This is the third consciousness. 3.5 is dream, and 4 is a whole different level. You're never going to reach.
Read me.
Born on the 14th.
Read me, nigga.
Right?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's end off with this. Read them.
So it comes down like, let me get some water.
February 14th.
Honestly, not no content.
So when it comes down to it, people who are Aquarius, he is right about one thing. It is their time right now. Ever since 9/11 hit. And again, all the 11s in 9/11 point to the Aquarius, which is the 11th sign. So you can see people like him popping off, and you'll think like, how the fuck did this motherfucker make it? It's because he has a lot of Aquarius energy, and a lot of people who are Aquarius right now are popping off. Aquarius are rebels. Whatever they're into, they will rebel against. If they're born into Islam, they'll rebel against it. If they're born into Christianity, they'll rebel against it. That's how they are. They always rebel against conformity.
Wherever you guys are watching this show, I would truly appreciate it if you follow or subscribe. It helps a lot with the algorithm. It helps us get bigger and better guests, and it helps us grow the team. Truly means a lot. Thank you guys for supporting, and here's the episode.